Okay, hello again and welcome to my garage. Yeah, some updates, some new parts, small part washer that I have invested in. Need to find a place for that one. I have updated with the second vise for my milling machine. Latest project is metal bandsaw, where I have built this table myself, so I can just both cut tubes and have it as a, in this way, so I can easily saw small parts. Sheet metal I think will be the most common use for it, and this is also something that I have been experimented with the last times I have or the late so this is snowmobile parts that have been very rusty, that I have removed the rust with acid and then zinc plated. And here is also one part where I have tried a little bit to get the yellow color on, but this is, I need to have some more practice before I can make some nicer stuff for my builds. Here are the parts for the zinc plating, and here you can see the Exciter project. There is the tunnel that you have seen in a former video, and I'm now working with the front subframe to get the engine mounted and have a gearbox on the other side. So today's mission will be to try to fabricate a tool, a clutch tool, clutch aligning tool. So this I need to get the correct distance between the primary and secondary clutch, and also try to align them so I know where the engine mounts should be, because this engine is not from this sled, it's from another sled, and also the drivetrain is from other sleds, so I need to make new mounting points. So yeah, I will try to mill a tool like this today out of aluminium sheet metal and see if I can get that to work. And alright, we will start, and I will keep you updated during the day, and we will see if I can manage to pull this off. Okay, I have done some preparation, and yes, for your machinists that working with metal, wood shouldn't be in a mill, but to do this simple tool I think it will work, and this was a fast and quick solution. And we will try and see. So using Mac 3, so let's start making some chip. Okay, so after some work. It's finished. Due to limitations in my milling machine, I needed to move the part like 3 times to get everything milled, but seems to be okay, and the measurement seems to be correct, and this is 2 pieces, so I will use both to get a little bit more stable. I didn't have any thicker material, so yeah, as you can see, I will make a bushing in the lathe that will fit exactly on that shaft, and then you go down here, so hopefully you can see, and in this way I will be able to, as you can see, I'm very close, and that's due to that I have this fixture from the engine that are almost in place. So yeah, tomorrow I will make the final part, but I'm happy with this one.